You know what time it is. I am doing a giveaway right now. So, like I said in my previous videos, if you like, comment, subscribe, and share it within the first hour of when my video drops, you will be placed in a raffle to win 0.1 ETH. And these are the people that did that. Easy money. You want easy money? Do it right now. Comment, subscribe, like, and share. But it has to be within the first hour of when my video drops. So this is the people that did it the last video. Muhammad, Jordan, Awesome, and Respect. And this is a random picker in Google. And the winner of the 0.1 ETH is Awesome. So he goes by the name of Awesome. If you're listening to this, you have 24 hours to send me the wallet address so I can send that over to you. And if you go over 24 hours, then you are over the time limit and I cannot do that. So pay attention and remember, you want to be placed in the raffle, you know what to do. Back to the video. So there's lots of things right now when it comes to NFT space. It's exploding. There's more and more people getting involved. Mass adoption is getting bigger and bigger, and it's getting bigger faster than I thought and faster than what anybody expected. So there's many ways for you to earn money with NFTs. There's different utilities, but I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to earn passive income, and you can still get on the whitelist before, you can get on the whitelist so you can get a opportunity to mint early, and you don't have to fight over those high prices on the secondary market. So I'm giving you a big chance right now to win an NFT, and this is unique NFT. It's not just some random NFT. The things that I share with you on my pages, if you look at the history, tends to do well. All right, just 99.9%. So the NFT project that I want to share with you, and one of the craziest, I'm telling you, it's crazy, amazing, is this Slotty. So launch date is in 7 days. That's why I say hit the bell button, because as soon as I release the video, you are automatically notified and you can see what's going on and get into the projects early. And that's a huge advantage for you, a huge advantage for the people watching, and a huge advantage if you want to get blue chip or a potential blue chip projects. So here it is. Earn income from 150 casinos. Not just one, not just two, not just 10, but 150 casinos. All right. So they're bringing smart contracts into the gambling world. I don't know if you know, but the casino industry is a $45 billion industry. And now there is casinos. I don't know about you, but there's a lot of people that gamble. And they're bringing the crypto casino into one space, which is amazing and a good combination. Here it is. Slotties reimagine the entire online casino ecosystem. Your Slotty NFT brings you the big boys table by entitling you to part of casino's income. So once you have the Slotties, you can stake them, but you have this is the best part. You have profit sharing for the holders. You have a passive income opportunity. And here's the best part, 20% rate back at casinos. Typically, they give a range from 1 to 5%, but 20% rate back at casinos and 150 casinos. Best believe that I'm going to be buying more than one. So if you get 20%, remember, $45 billion industry, 20% rate back at casinos and 150 casinos. Do the math in your head. Okay, so here it is. There's a press, and give you a little bit of backstory. Slotties are your ticket into the largest, fastest growing online casino network on the blockchain. Only 10,000 VIP members. Slotties get holders access to new world of DeFi gambling. Alright, they will provide real world benefits in over 150 casinos worldwide. So this is just not an average project, right? This is, the art's different, the project's unit different, the utility is different. Those are the things that you want to get into. Each Slotty NFT is one of a kind with varying degrees of rarity. And unlike other NFTs with only superficial rarity, the rarity of your Slotty will determine your revenue share from our casino partners. So the rarer your Slotty is, the more revenue share you would get. So there's actually a benefit. There's actually a bonus when you possess a rare Slotty NFT. Okay, so these are all, each Slotty is 100% unique. These are just some of the images. Oh, this one is, I like this one. This one looks sick to me. Yeah, which one of these do you like the best? All right, so Slotty benefits and road utility, passive income. So imagine just on a vacation, doing your thing, eating at a restaurant, doing some excursions, and you're getting passive income from an NFT. 20%. That's high. You're getting paid to eat. You get paid to just. Warren Buffett said, if you don't know how to make money while you're sleeping, then you're going to be broke. So this is one of, I would say, a tool for you to diversify your income. Remember, average multimillionaire have 7 different income sources. This is just one of them. And NFT staking, I already mentioned that. So up to 20% rate back in casinos. So you can also breed your Slotties, and it's only slightly double your profit, and you'll need a total of 1800 watts and 2 Slotties to breed. A new token, so they're creating a new token called Watts. There's also a lottery, can win Watts, cash 10,000 weekly, NPS spins and lottery. Any Slotty holder can enter the lottery and test their luck. So here's the roadmap, okay? So they're developing their slot machine development. That's Q3. All right, we're Q4, which is right now, and they're doing the pre-sale. It starts on Q4 December. There's Rarity Sniper integration, and then next year, lottery ticket integration, and they're also integrating with 25 partner casinos. Passive income is the number one thing that attracts people, right? And there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be attracted to this project because of this. Now you can stake your NFT, and which can help you make even more money. 20% rate backs, and there's also what tokens generated on a daily. So there's their roadmap is, when you look at some projects, the roadmap is just, we're gonna release at this date, and then from there it's just the community decides. Here they already have everything planned, launching the marketplace, integration with casinos, Q3 next year, junior slotties will come out, third wave of crypto casino integration. So, like I said, they're looking way beyond when in terms of planning the project. This is to be announced, but as far as up to here, this is already a win situation. All right, so there's rarity specifications. So this is what some of the skins, this is what they look like, and this is some of the hats pieces. Some of them will have these type of teeth, the ears, those are the eyes. There's gonna be closed backgrounds, different types. Here's a team. So as you can see, these are the owners and they have LinkedIn, so they're very credible. They stand behind the project, and more importantly, they're not afraid to put their profile. Those are the projects we looked at. And what are slot NFTs? I already mentioned that to you. They're already working on a couple of good things. This is unique, this is different, and mint your slotties, right? Passive income, you have a token, strong team. Let's check the Discord. Discord is 55,000 members. 55,000 members, 4,000, close to 5,000 is active. That's a good amount. The community is strong, good team. These are, like I said, projects that you want to look out for. But for you, I'm doing all the research, I'm doing all the hard work. All you have to do is position yourself so that you can have the advantage to mint, win, and more importantly, get this NFT. The future is looking bright for this one. The future is looking bright for this one. So keep an eye out on this project, get in the Discord, and get involved. This is a project that's going to do well. It's unique, the art is cool, and more importantly, amazing team with cool and amazing utility. So that's it about me. Remember what I said. If you want to win 0.1 ETH, you have to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, share within the first hour of when this video is released. And if you do it after, then you will not be qualified for the next random winner selection. Well, that's it. Stay tuned, stay alert, and let's make those gains. Not just the gains in the gym, but the gains in the bank account. Peace.